Welcome to my channel and watching my video. So this video car how to car drive, how to car or drive. So last so information your video in this video. Learning how to drive is a lot uh, is a yes than it looks. It looks it's look intimidating intimidating from the passenger seat or in planes. But once you get behind the wheel and gently put your foot on the pedal, the process becomes very intuitive. Intuitive. Learn to take things slow in the beginning, and you will be well on your way to mastery. The basis, the basis, this article, this article assume you will be driving a vehicle with an automatic transmission. If you are not driving an automatic, you will need to read about the basis of driving strict seat manual transmission. Instead, also the general process will still be similar. See this, see this control, getting comfortable with the car's control. Part one, this is a seat adjustment and fast the accelerator pedal or pedal your adjustment. Adjust the seat to the adjust the adjust the seat to let your feet comfortably reach both headers. You can adjust your seat forward and back down as well as up and down. Some cars will have electronic control easily on the left side of the seat. Only older cars will usually have a lever understand the seat that lets your control the position of the seat. But you can easily let the difference. Number two is control right leg, accelerator pedal and brake pedal. Left leg, right pedal, brake pedal and clutch pedal. This left pedal, leg, left leg clutch pedal and right leg brake pedal and accelerator pedal. Number two, familiarize yourself with the foot pedals. In an automatic car, the two-foot pedals control acceleration and braking. Res- uh, Respectively, 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 the right from at most pedal, which is usually smaller than the other pedal, is the accelerator, and pressing down on it makes the car move. And pressing down on it makes the car move. The harder, the harder you press down on it, the faster the car will move. The pedal to the left, which is usually longer than the accelerator, is the brake pedal, and pressing down on it slow the car down. Even if you feel more confident using your left foot, always use your right foot or to reach foot pedals. It will feel strange at first if you are left-footed, but getting used to it is very important because ultimately much suffer. Never use both feet and arms to reach the pedals. Only use one foot, the right foot, to use each pedal. This will make it possible to contribute accidentally. This will make it possible to accidentally press down on both pedals at the same time, which can be dangerous and can damage your car. So, auto car driving is not two foot, two foot use, just one leg use for right leg. Okay, so adjust your mirror so that you can see through them clearly, and adjust your car's mirror so that you can see through through them clearly and effectively. Your car should have three mirrors: one rear view mirror, which allow you to see directly that rear windshield behind you, and two outside mirror which let you see to either side of the car and protect you from behind spot. Your rear view mirror should be positioned so that when you are in your normal driving position, you can see you can see directly behind you and as much of the rear windshield as possible. The Society of Automotive Engineers and has one recommended to how to position your outside mirrors in order in elements behind sport. It recommended positioning the mirrors further outside and normal than normal, so that they just overlap overlap with the dual single of the rear view mirror, although distraying at first. This positioning actually allow the driver to see car in their behind spot, which they might otherwise only be able to spot by looking over their outside shoulder. Handbrake. Number four, handbrake. Know where the parking brake, also called a handbrake, e-brake, or emergency brake, is and does. What it does. The lead parking brake is longer lever with a button on the very tip of it. When the parking brake is mm, flat, followed up, it helps look the car into place on the ground. Ensure that it doesn't move. When the brake is let down, it mm, is dead and the car can freely move. Make sure that your parking brake is designed before the start driving. Designed it before your start driving. This is auto car driving drive operating system. P for parking, R for reverse, and for neutral, D for drive, E for drive, S for drive. So thank you watching my video. I hope next video you would understand. Thank you so much.